Are you looking for your first motorcycle? We've got some of the best budget-friendly bikes lined up for new riders that won't compromise on quality or performance. Check out our top picks and discover your ideal first bike today. If you're a fresh rider looking for the best budget-friendly bikes to start your riding journey, you've come to the right place. Today we'll explore some of the best budget motorcycles that are perfect for new riders. These bikes offer a great balance of performance, ease of use and affordability. First up, the Honda CB300R. This bike is often praised for its beginner-friendly nature. It has a 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with 31 horsepower at 8500 RPMs, 27 Nm of torque, and it weighs 143 kilos and has a fuel capacity of 10 liters. The CB300R is lightweight, making it easy to handle, especially for new riders. Its nimbleness allows for great maneuverability in urban environments. This bike's lightweight frame makes it easy to park and move around, and it's perfect for weaving through city traffic. It boasts impressive fuel efficiency, which helps keep running costs low. This means more riding and less worrying about fuel expenses. You can get around 30 kilometers per liter, so those trips to the gas station are few and far between. Honda's reputation for reliability means you'll likely face fewer maintenance issues, and when you do, parts are generally affordable. Routine services like oil changes and brake pad replacements won't be too expensive. And with its new sports cafe styling, the CB300R looks modern and stylish. It has a minimalist look with premium features like LED lighting and a digital display. While great for city riding, the 286cc engine might feel underpowered on highways. You might struggle to keep up with fast-moving traffic on the highway. It lacks some advanced features found on more expensive bikes, but that's a trade-off for its affordability. Don't expect things like traction control or ride modes. The single-cylinder engine can produce more vibration compared to multi-cylinder bikes, which might be less comfortable on longer rides. This can be tiring if you're planning to ride for several hours. Next, let's talk about the Kawasaki Ninja 400, a bike that has earned high praise from beginners and experienced riders alike. Equipped with a 399cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, it has 49 horsepower at 10,000 RPMs and 38 Nm of torque. It has a wet weight of 186 kilos and its fuel tank holds 14 liters. The 399cc engine offers a good balance of power that's both beginner-friendly and exciting. It's got enough oomph to keep you entertained without being overwhelming. Its sporty design and excellent handling make it a joy to ride on the twisty roads and tracks. The bike feels stable and planted, giving you confidence in the corners. The seating position is sporty but comfortable, making it suitable for longer rides. The clip-on handlebars and slightly rear-set foot pegs give a sporty feel without being too aggressive. Despite its performance, it's priced competitively, offering great value for money. You'll get a lot of bike for your buck. Sport bikes like the Ninja 400 can have higher insurance premiums, so that's something to consider. It's worth shopping around for the best rates. While not bad, it's less fuel efficient compared to smaller, less powerful bikes. Expect around 20 to 25 liters per kilometer depending on your riding style. The sporty riding position might not be comfortable for all riders, especially on longer trips. It might put some strain on your wrist and back. Another great option is the Yamaha MT-03, known for its versatility and style. Looking at its specs, it has a 321cc liquid-cooled parallel twin with 41 horsepower and 29 Nm of torque. It weighs 186 kg and holds 14 liters of race juice. Its twin cylinder offers smooth and manageable power delivery, ideal for new riders. It's forgiving yet fun, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced riders looking for a lightweight bike. Its aggressive, naked bike styling appeals to those who want a modern and edgy look. The MT-03 stands out with its sharp lines and distinctive headlight design. The upright riding position provides excellent comfort and control, making it great for daily commuting. The wide handlebars give you good leverage, making the bike easy to steer. It comes with features like ABS and a digital display, adding value at a budget-friendly price. You get modern safety and convenient features without a huge price tag. While great for city and spirited rides, it may feel a bit lacking on the open highway. The top speed is around 170 km an hour, which is sufficient for most needs, but might leave you wanting more juice on the autobahn. There can be a noticeable vibration at higher RPMs, which might be uncomfortable over extended periods, but this is common with smaller twin-cylinder engines. Fourth on our list is the Suzuki SV650. A versatile bike that's perfect for new riders who want something they can grow with. It has a big 645cc liquid-cooled V-twin with 75 horsepower and 64 Nm of torque, weighing 200 kilos, and its fuel tank holds 14.5 liters. Although it's bigger than the rest of the bikes on this list, it's still a great beginner's bike and earns a place in this video. The bigger V-twin engine offers smooth, predictable power that's easy to manage. It's powerful enough to be exciting, but not so much that it's intimidating. This makes it a great choice for both new and experienced riders. Whether you're commuting, touring, or hitting the twisties, the SV650 handles it all with ease. It's a true all-rounder that can adapt to various riding styles. You can take it on long trips or just enjoy it for a weekend ride. The seating position is comfortable for a wide range of riders, making it a great all-rounder. You can ride for hours without feeling fatigued. The seat height is moderate, making it accessible for most riders. It's competitively priced and offers great value, especially considering its performance and build quality. You get a lot of bike for your money, and it's a solid investment for those looking to keep a bike for several years. Although it's heavier than some of the smaller bikes on this list, which might be intimidating for some new riders, maneuvering it at lower speeds or in tight spaces can be a bit challenging. However, once you're moving, the weight helps with stability, and it's just a matter of getting used to it. The larger engine is less fuel efficient, which means higher running costs. Expect around 20 km per liter, which is still decent but not as economical as smaller bikes. While practical, the design is somewhat plain compared to more aggressively styled bikes. This might not appeal to riders looking for a more striking appearance, and it lacks some of the advanced features found on newer models, but this simplicity can also be a plus for those who want a straightforward riding experience without unnecessary gadgets. Alright, last but not least, let's talk about the KTM 390 Juke, a bike that combines performance, style, and modern technology in a compact package. Under the hood we find a 373cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with 44 horsepower and 37 Nm. It weighs around 149 kilos and has 11 liters of fuel capacity. The 390 Juke is extremely nimble, making it great for city riding. Its lightweight frame and sharp handling make it easy to zip through traffic and navigate urban environments. KTM has packed the 390 Juke with advanced features typically found on more expensive bikes. It comes with a full-color TFT display, ABS for enhanced braking safety, and ride-by-wire technology for precise throttle control. These features not only enhance the riding experience but also improve safety and convenience. The aggressive styling makes it stand out in the crowd. From its sharp lines to the bold graphics, the 390 Juke has a distinct look that appeals to riders who want to make a statement. The bike's modern aesthetics are complemented by its high-quality build and attention to detail. The sporty suspension setup can be a bit harsh on rough roads. While it excels in providing feedback and control on smooth surfaces, it might feel a bit stiff and uncomfortable when riding over potholes and uneven terrain. This could be less ideal for riders who frequently encounter bumpy roads. Having a single-cylinder engine, while powerful, can produce noticeable vibration at high RPMs, and as we know, it might be uncomfortable during extended periods of high-speed riding. The vibrations can lead to fatigue over long distances, making it less ideal for long tours. Choosing your first bike is like picking your first Pokemon. You're not just picking a bike, you're picking a new best friend. And every bike on this list has its own charm and is a great choice for new riders. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or just something fun to ride, there's a budget-friendly option out there for you. So there you have it, folks, 5 of the best budget bikes for new riders. Each offers a unique blend of performance, style, and affordability to help you get started. Which bike did you start on? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to support the channel.